Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simone Nicole, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or if you want to leave some love. In this video I'll be doing a budgeting challenge. I've been seeing this all across the internet for the past year, I want to say, but I never actually physically started doing it. I'll be doing a 52-week challenge, which will ultimately save me $10,000 by the end of the year. So I kind of call this the honeycomb challenge because that's what it looks like, as you can see on the iPad, on my iPad that I'm showing you on the screen. And I want to take you guys on the journey with me to help me stay accountable, and also just to document and show you guys what's possible if you actually invested in yourself. So let's start with the supplies. So I went to the Dollar Tree. You can go to your local Dollar Tree to get these supplies. I have a red envelope that's large enough to hold 52 envelopes that I purchased. You don't have to get the full size. That's just all they had. I would have preferred getting the smaller white envelopes because like this, the exact same size of a bill, I believe, are the smaller ones. But the ones that I got are still good enough. So what I'm gonna do here is just oh yeah, so I purchased white envelopes, I purchased a red large envelope to keep them all together, and I purchased some pins, different colors, just to decorate the envelopes, or just to write the amount that I want to save on each envelope in different colors. But that's not really necessary. You can use black for all, or you can use one color for all envelopes if you like. Actually, this is gonna be the introduction, so I'm gonna be setting everything up for you guys to see how I'm gonna do it. And then every week I'll be posting a video on how my challenge is going, so you guys will see me stuff the amount of money inside the envelope every week. So this was actually filmed last week, so therefore I'm gonna be like a week ahead of the actual video scheduling. So this week I stuffed, and I'll be recording that today and posting it next week. There's no particular order to go through when you're doing this. You can randomly pick, or you can just, you know, tell yourself, okay, I want to save this amount this week, just to be more organized in case you have limited income. So my boyfriend and I are actually both doing this challenge. Like I said, there's some people out there that do these challenges, and I'm just trying it out for the first time, and I'll put links down below, people who I watch that have successfully done these challenges. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and number the envelopes, and I'm gonna speed it up. One of the challenges that I saw was the 100 envelope challenge, which you number the envelopes either 1 through 100. Some people have done 11 to 100. It just depends, but you want to have 100 envelopes with the numbers on it, and you pluck from them, I believe, every day or once a week, or whenever you want to. Is just the goal is to finish the 100. The goal is to finish the 100 envelopes before counting and unstuffing your money. And I believe at the end of the 100 envelopes, once you stuff them, it should be around $5,000. The other challenges that I've seen was the 3,000 savings in 30 days. I'll also post a picture of that on the screen so you guys can see it. And this is a challenge that you actually want to save every day. There are many ways to save money. It's all about, do you have the energy to do it, to go out and get it? You have to work smarter, not harder. So there's ways to definitely save money. Even if you get paid bi-weekly, you can always tell yourself, okay, on my check, I'm setting this amount aside and total out that week. It really just depends. Or you can just make the challenge work for you if you're not able to do that. But I feel like this would be really fun and a very quick way to see the results. So that's why I like it. I'm more about seeing my results quickly versus waiting forever, which, I mean, 52 weeks isn't really forever. It's just a year. But it's also nice to know that you can be consistent and committed to doing something long term, not just short term. And those are basically the only ones that I was really interested in. There's another one that I put aside for myself that I wanted to try to do, and it's the 365-day challenge, which is just saving $30 a day. You know, a lot of people are doing DoorDash. I actually do DoorDash on the side, especially, you know, when COVID hit, people had to be unemployed. I was one of them, and that was one of the things I picked up on the side doing, and I actually really enjoy it. And it's very easy to save $30 a day while doing DoorDash if you're in a city that actually uses DoorDash. So yeah, 365 days, $30 a day challenge will also result you into saving a good amount of money. I believe it'll be $10,000 by the end of the year. It's just nice to know that you have money saved up and put to the side for an emergency, or just to save and splurge on yourself at the end of the year, either for Christmas gifts or a vacation. It's just a lot easier having physical money in your hand, saved up, put away, versus having it on your card, because most of us girls, we be swiping away and not thinking twice about it. I don't know what it is with them cards, but having the cash in your hand when you're actually spending it and seeing it leave your hand, I believe the cash stuffing system is very helpful, and it'll be very helpful for anybody who wants to do it in the long run. Even if you don't, you know, fill out all the envelopes, you'll still have an amount of money saved up at the end of the year. So I suggest you guys give it a try, and like I said, I'll be showing you guys my process in doing it throughout this year, 2022. This is my first time actually doing something like this on my channel. Before, when I tried to do this, I wasn't doing challenges, I was doing more like sinking funds, but it was kind of difficult to do that, and I didn't really feel very comfortable doing that with traveling and having so much cash on me. But I mean, sometimes you just got to do what you got to do, and just make sure you're cautious and careful where you put your money with anything, even with your debit cards. People could steal that and scam you. So at the end of the day, you kind of just have to do what works for you and figure it out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said before, like, comment down below if you have any questions. Make sure you hit that bell notification. That way you know about any of my videos that I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next envelope stuffing. Bye.